Right, today we have this Renault Arkana. This is an hybrid vehicle, petrol and electric, and this has the very common issue with the fuel pump. If you've got a Renault Arkana that's struggling to start, cutting out or showing fuel system faults, this might be something you want to know about. This Arkana came into the workshop with the engine management light on. The first thing we did was carry out a full diagnostic scan, and straight away we found a set of fault codes that are actually quite common on these vehicles. After doing some research and checking Renault technical information, we found that the symptoms are often linked to a known issue with the in-tank fuel pump. On some vehicles, Renault has also released software updates to improve the way the fuel system operates, and there have been even recalls covering certain vehicles depending on the VIN and production date. In this case, the diagnostic pointed towards a failed fuel pump, so it was time to get to work. Access to the pump is underneath the rear seats, so once everything was removed, we gained access to the fuel tank and carefully removed the original pump assembly. Rather than fitting the old design again, we've installed the latest genuine Renault superseded part, which is the updated version designed to address the known issue. With the new pump fitted, everything was reassembled, all connections checked, and the rear interior put back together exactly as it left the factory. Finally, we've cleared the fault codes, carried out another diagnostic scan to make sure everything was operating correctly, and then take the car out for a road test. The vehicle performed exactly as it should, with no warning lights returning and the fuel system working perfectly once again. Right, that's the end of this repair on this Renault Arkana. And the take we have from this is that this is quite a straightforward job to do, quite easy to do. The problem is I'm not even too sure that the new pumps that Renault made are still that good. So the problem might still reappear. Unfortunately, it is what it is. And this does set you back almost £1,000 to get this repaired, because that pump from the main dealer is extremely expensive. And if the main dealer couldn't get it right, I mean, aftermarket brands can try, but I'm pretty sure there's something wrong with the way that they designed the system, or they done something there. So yeah, again, thanks for watching. This one is done and dusted and good to go. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.